In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add images to your Excel document. So you're going to start just by selecting the cell that you want to add the image to, and then click on Insert in the top navigation. From here, click on Illustrations, select Shapes, and then select the Rectangle tool. Once you have this tool selected, you need to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then draw a rectangle in this box. Then that will bring up this shape selection, and we can click on Shape Format in the top navigation, click on Shape Fill, and then select Picture. Select where you want to add this image from. I'm just going to select from my computer and navigate over to the image that you want to add to this document. So I'll be adding this image as a demonstration. Once you've added your image to your Excel document, you're able to resize it by dragging the edges of the cell, and you can also do the same for the row as well. And you can basically add as many images as you want in all of these different cells. So I'll just add one more for this demonstration. So once again, click on Insert, click on Illustrations, Shapes, and Rectangle. Make sure you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Once you have the rectangle, click on Shape Fill and select Picture. So you can see now I have this second image added to this other cell, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.